of months of absolute drought here in Ecuador, and the last week we've had heavy rains that they weren't overwhelming, but they saturated the entire garden with water. And we have these two ponds, and within a few days, these weird algae shapes started to form within the pools. And these pools have a little bit of a secret. They're able to echo the sound we have here. We have this energy that shows up because we're a complete valley here all the way around. Something gets trapped up here. And when it gets trapped, what happens is it creates a vortex, circular motion. So when you go inside these pools when they're empty, you can hear a helicopter sound. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. And they have very strange energy, these pools. They're very much alive. And within a few days, these really bizarre algae structures formed. One of them even looks like an elephant, which is really weird. And they free-form themselves. They actually energetically create dimensional shapes. Algae creating a dimensional shapes and being hollow inside. Really weird phenomenon. Okay, so we have this pond creature inside the pool here. It looks like that's a tail. Not sure how it created this type of a shape, but we're going to rip it apart now and see what it actually is. And I'm going to try to get most of it. It might just be algae itself, but it looks like an animal. Yeah, it's really hard to know what on earth this thing is, but I'm going to dig into it now and find out. There's a couple of other ones forming there. It's bizarre. Nothing. Wow, it's just algae. Slime. The origin of life.